Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. I'm Roland and today we are making虾米四季豆, stir-fried French beans with dried shrimp. This is one of those classic Singapore zi char dishes that's simple, comforting and so delicious. The dried shrimp add a wonderful savoury umami flavour while the French beans stays crunchy. It's quick and easy to prepare, so if you'd like to recreate this zi char favourite at home, let's start cooking. Hi friends, before we start cooking, just a quick life update. You probably know my wife Jamie as the person who's always behind the camera. Well, she recently started a new career. It's something she's been working very hard on and we are both really excited about it. So I'll let Jamie tell you herself.
Hi everyone, I'm now a property advisor in Singapore and it feels good to finally say that. Don't worry though, we'll still be sharing recipes with you every week on this channel. But if you, your family and friends are thinking about buying, selling, renting or investing property in Singapore, I hope you think of me. Whether is it residential, commercial or industrial property, I would love the opportunity to work with you. Just send me a WhatsApp message for a chat. And I've also included my LinkedIn profile in the description box below if you'd like to know a little bit more about my background. Thank you for always supporting us. It really means a lot to us.
Alright, enough talking, let's start cooking. Now we'll prepare the sauce for the dish. I have with me over here 50 milliliters of water. Add in half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, as well as half a tablespoon of corn flour. Mix everything up well and we'll set this aside. Now we'll do the shallow fry of our French beans. Heat up a wok of oil using medium heat. How do we know whether the oil is hot enough or not? Using a bamboo chopstick, just place it in. Right, if you see bubbles rising rapidly like this, that means the oil is ready. We will now add in our French beans. I have with me over here 500 grams of French beans. Put it all in. Spread the French beans out. Now we love this dish, hence we are using quite a fair amount of French beans. We are just going to fry this until the skin of the French beans blister up. I'll show you how they look like in a while. Now of course if you do not want to shallow fry or deep fry them, you can always boil them first. But doing it this way actually tastes much better. And also another reason why I'm using so much French beans is because once I've cooked them, they will actually shrink and wither down a little bit. But this dish is excellent with steamed rice and I really love it. If you have decided to actually using the boiling method, you can cut off the recipe by half because if you boil it, it will not look so small or withered down. So something like this will be good, as you can see. Right, there's some blisters forming on the skin. Okay, we'll now remove them from the oil. Don't turn off the heat of the oil. Once you have removed them, we'll proceed to fry our dried shrimps. Using the same wok, remove most of the oil, leaving behind about 2 or 3 tablespoons. We are going to fry our dried shrimp now. This is a total of 40 grams of dried shrimp. I've soaked them in water for approximately 10 minutes so that they are soft enough. Half of it I've chopped them into very, very small pieces like this, and half of them roughly chop up like this. We are just going to fry this, okay? The roughly chop up ones. Just put them all in. I'm using the lowest heat possible right now because my wok is very, very hot. We don't want to burn our dried shrimp. But if your wok is not as hot as mine, you can use medium or medium low. Move them around a little bit. Right, we'll fry them until the color changes. This step is to remove the moisture from the dried shrimp so that later when we add it to the dish, we will have a different texture towards the whole dish itself. Now my wok has cooled down quite a fair bit, so I'm turning it back to medium-low. Just slowly fry this up. We know this is ready when there's not too much of a bubbles in the oil. Remember to move them around. Right, very beautiful color. We are almost done. Now we remove the dried shrimp from the oil. You don't have to turn off the heat. Spread them up a little bit and set them aside. Remove some of the oil, leaving behind approximately 1 tablespoon of oil. Using medium heat, add in the rest of our dried shrimp. Add in also about 5 or 6 cloves of garlic chopped. Fry them until fragrant. Dried shrimp is the star of this dish. That's the reason why we are using a lot. But if you don't want that kind of umami or shrimpy taste, you can just remove it by 10 grams. Now that we can smell the garlic, we'll add back our French beans. Mix them up well. Spread them up a little bit so that every piece of our French beans come in contact with the garlic and the dried shrimps. Now we add the sauce, stir it, slowly pour it in and stir while we pour it in. Okay, just like this. A little bit at a time. Because this dish is supposed to be a dry dish, we don't want too much of a sauce, but yet we want the beans to be coated with the sauce. Look at the smoke that's coming out from here. This is going to be really, really good. Now you can turn the heat up to high. Right, just dry this up a little bit. Now the other dried shrimp, you can actually add it in now or later as topping. But for us, we love to put it in, so in it goes. 1, 2, and we are done. And it's time for our lunch. Look at how pretty this is. Beautiful. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Wow, smells absolutely fantastic. Let's try this now. Paired with the dry shrimp, this is really, really, really good. It's like an explosion of ocean inside your mouth. The umami flavors of the shrimp, oh my god. Texture of the French beans and the dried shrimp, this is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you, bye bye. Wow. So good.